welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 23rd of grammar, and the name of the chapter is letter writing, right? So what is a letter writing? सबसे पहले ये जानते हैं. The art of writing letters, is not merely an achievement, but it is something that every educated person must know for practical reason. Writing letters लिखना कोई एक बहुत बड़ा achievement तो नहीं है, बट ये एक ऐसी चीज है कि हर एजुकेटेड पर्सन को ये लिखना आना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसकी जरूरत कभी भी पड़ सकती है, राइट? Anyone can ask you to write a letter practically, right? For some official purpose or for whatever reason. So let us study the accepted formats of the two main types of letters. तो अब जल्दी से लेटर्स को पढ़ते हैं जो कि दो मेन तरीके के यहाँ पर होते हैं. The first ones are informal or personal letters, and the next are formal or official letters, right? तो सबसे पहले इन्हें डिटेल्स में जानते हैं. Here we have informal letters. सबसे पहले this type of letter include letters to family members, friends and relatives, right? कि इस तरीके के जो लेटर्स होते हैं वो इंक्लूड करते हैं फैमिली मेंबर्स, फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स, राइट? कि ये लेटर्स हम इन्हीं सब लोगों को लिख सकते हैं. These are letters of personal greetings, good wishes, invitations, sympathies, condolences, etc. कि इन लेटर्स में हम ये सभी चीजें ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं. इन सभी रीजंस की वजह से हम इन लेटर्स को लिख सकते हैं, राइट? The format of informal or personal letters may be divided into 8 main parts. कि जो फॉर्मेट है इनफॉर्मल या फिर पर्सनल लेटर्स का, वो इन 8 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइडेड है, 8 मेन पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. So they are the address of the sender, the date, the salutation, body of the letter, the subscription, signature, enclosures, if any, like checks, drafts and certificates, and address of the recipient, right? Now, next thing that we have is formal letters. So, अब बात की जाए formal letters की. So, this type of letter include administrative, official, government letters and applications, right? इस तरीके के जो लेटर्स होते हैं उनमें बहुत सारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव, ऑफिशियल, गवर्नमेंट लेटर्स और एप्लीकेशंस इंक्लूड होती हैं. The format of official letters may be divided in 11 main parts. कि official letters के जो format है वो 11 main parts में divided है. What are they? The address of the sender, the date, designation or address of the recipient, reference number, salutation, body of the letter, the subscription, the signature, enclosures, the copy, right? So all these are the main parts of the formal letters, right? Moving ahead, we have some examples over here. First of all, we have the example of a informal letter. So the question says, write a letter to your uncle wishing him on his birthday. तो आपके अंकल का बर्थडे है और आपको उन्हें विश करना है, तो आपको एक लेटर लिखना है. Let's see how we can frame the letter. So it is A203, Vivek Vihar, Delhi 92. Then the date. Dear Uncle Sam, many congratulations on your birthday and best wishes for many more years to come your way. I wish you a colorful birthday celebration. I'm sure you must be celebrating your day with your family. Enjoy your day. Wishing that you have a long and healthy life. Happy birthday once again, Raman. Right? So you saw how easily we have framed a letter for our uncle. Right? Next, we have one more example. Let's read this also and get even a better idea how to frame these essays. So it is, write a letter to your grandparents who gave you a present on your success in the exam. जल्दी से इसको पढ़ते हैं. Dear Grandpa and Grandma, I am writing to thank you both for my wonderful present. When Mom and Dad told me you would like to buy me a bike, I jumped for joy. They took me to the bike shop so I could choose. I picked out a red and black sports bike. It has a shiny silver bell and side stand, so I can park it. I have been riding along the bike path in the park while Mom and Dad walk around. I can't wait to come to the farm in the school holidays. Mink and I can both ride our bikes along the tracks to the dam. See you soon. Yours affectionately, Ayush. Right? Now, next thing that we have is the examples for formal letters. Let's see formal letters में हमें कौन से examples दिए गए हैं. So here it is, write a letter to your class teacher requesting him to grant you leave for 2 days to attend your sister's marriage. तो आपको एक लेटर लिखना है अपनी क्लास टीचर को जिसमें आप रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं उनको ताकि आपको 2 दिन की लीव मिल जाए, छुट्टी मिल जाए क्योंकि आपको अपने सिस्टर की मैरिज अटेंड करनी है. Let's see how it is done. A203, Vivek Vihar, Delhi 92, then the date. The principal, Green Valley Public School, Sector 14, Dwarka. Subject, request for 2 days leave. Respected Sir, I am a student of class 6B and my roll number is 25. I would be unable to attend the school for the next 2 days due to my sister's marriage. The marriage is going to be held on 25th January. I have to see the arrangements and welcome the guests and relatives. I shall be very thankful to you if you grant me leave for 2 days. Thanking you. Yours obediently. We have one more example. Let's read this also. Write a letter from your mother sick to your sports teacher to grant you permission to stay in the classroom during games period as you are medically advised for the same. So, let's read how it is done. 10 November 200. Dear Mr. Jamal, please excuse my son, Mayank Saxena, of 6th day from physical education this week as he has badly bruised the big toe of his left foot. He had been advised by the doctor to rest it for at least 1 week. I would also like him to spend recess times sitting quietly close to the classroom if possible. Mayank has another appointment with the doctor on Friday afternoon. I will pick him up from school at the end of the morning session. Thank you for understanding. Yours sincerely, Mrs. Savita Saxena. Right? So you saw how easily we can frame these formal letters too. Right? So I hope you all are clear with the formats of the formal and the informal letters as well. And after that, in the worksheet, we have been provided with some examples, some questions so that you can try to frame the letters by yourself, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.